Hey, English learners! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about an idiom that's all about facing something tough head-on. Bite the bullet. Let's dive in. So, what does it mean to bite the bullet? It means to do something difficult or unpleasant that you've been avoiding, especially if there's no easy way around it. For example, if you've been putting off studying for an exam, and now it's time to start, you could say, I guess I'll have to bite the bullet and just get it done. This phrase originally came from the battlefield. In the old days, soldiers would literally bite on bullets during painful medical procedures when there was no anesthesia. So when you bite the bullet today, you're bracing yourself to tackle something tough. An example could be a conversation between two friends as follows. Friend 1, I really don't want to go to the dentist. Friend 2, I know, but you've got to bite the bullet. It'll be worth it.
Guess it's time to bite the bullet.
Bite the bullet now. It'll be okay.
Go! Bite the bullet. Go on the
I guess I'll have to bite the bullet.
So next time you need to push through something challenging, remember, you're biting the bullet. It's the perfect phrase to show you're ready to tackle something, no matter how hard. If you found this helpful, check out the other videos in our idioms playlist. We've got tons of useful expressions to boost your English. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss a single lesson.